Hi, I'm Rich with Inside HPC. We're at the IBM booth at ISC'12 in Hamburg. So, we had the top 500 come out. IBM had a fantastic week. What happened when the top 500 list came out?
Obviously, IBM was thrilled with the result that we have. Being named to the #1 position in the top 500, is something that was not necessarily expected. So being able to get that out in time for the show was just an incredible experience. It was also a great week for IBM in that we had two other awards that we won. We got the Gauss Award and the Price Award along with some of our partners with the IBM research. So just a complete fantastic result. Not only did we get the #1, but we had the highest concentration of other systems throughout the top 500.
So all in all, a tremendous showing. So let's start with Blue Gene Q. The Sequoia is based on it. Is that what we have here? Yes.
Yeah, so here we have the Blue Gene Q rack. This is it's an amazing piece of equipment here. So it fits 32 different node racks, each of which can have 32 nodes for over a 1024. But what's great about it is obviously all the water cooling that we have here, and it's a complete system. We actually have one of the Blue Gene Q node boards, and what's interesting about this is you can see all the cooling piping that's in here, along with each of the individual nodes and the memory associated with them. So this has got a lot of interest in the booth. Everyone wants to come see the system that's behind such great results in the top 500.
All right, so this is amazing technology, but can you tell me more about the #1 spot?
Well, the #1 spot went to Lawrence Livermore National Labs, and as you heard earlier, they had over 16 petaflops as part of the LINPACK results. So what was really amazing about it is that they had only 96 racks. So the previous #1 spot had over 800 racks. So in terms of the density and the amount of power and processing that we could add to that system was fairly incredible. So in terms of that, it's only of these 5 node boards is a petaflop of processing power. So it's an amazing compression in a very short amount of time.
So you had that tremendously, reduced number of cabinets, but you also set a record for the number of cores for a single system.
Yep, that's right. It was over 1.5 million cores that we were able to deliver as part of the system.
So your results at the top 500 also included a number of x86 systems as well, did it not?
It definitely did. While at the #1 position we had the Blue Gene Q, we also are showing here the iDataPlex systems, both an air-cooled and a water-cooled version of it. And what's great about this is that these are the systems that are powering Supercomputer with LRZ, which took the #1 position here in Europe. And we're also showing off the iDataPlex rack system.
Well, I did want to ask you about Supercomputer because it was kind of a surprise to me, this hot water cooling. So what's flowing through here, at what temperature are we talking about it?
It's at 40 degrees Celsius that we're actually putting that through, and the temperature rises up to approximately 60 degrees Celsius. And what's great about that is they didn't have to put the expenditure for energy to chill it all the way down to lower temperatures, especially here in Germany where you have higher energy costs. So a huge savings to the customer.